You're welcome to my 5-minute video on Lean Six Sigma for Entrepreneurship in Innovation course. In this content, I will briefly be introducing this topic, and I will be defining what Lean Six Sigma is. I will be talking about the core concepts and how Lean Six Sigma shows up, and how it can be used in innovation and innovation team. Introduction. Six Sigma has been around for more than a decade now and has been tremendously successful in increasing profit in businesses. Six Sigma was a term created by Motorola to describe the goal and process used to achieve breakthrough levels of quality improvement. Six Sigma is a rigorous process improvement method for achieving customer satisfaction by focusing on what is important to the customer. Six Sigma is a comprehensive and flexible system for achieving, sustaining, and maximizing business success. Customer satisfaction is the key to Six Sigma. What makes Six Sigma different? Six Sigma is uniquely driven by a close understanding of customer needs, disciplined use of facts, data, and statistical analysis, and diligent attention to managing, improving, and reinventing business processes. This was a definition taken from the book Six Sigma Way by Panda, Neumann, and Kavanagh. The two main focuses of Six Sigma is customer satisfaction and reducing variation in processes. Six Sigma methodology is based on the concept that process variation can be reduced using statistical tools. The ideal goal is to fix a process so that it will be 99.9997% defect-free, or produce only 3.4 defects per million opportunities or less. In a way to do this, Lean Six Sigma, or rather Six Sigma, focuses on increasing customer satisfaction, improvement supported by data, and the solution created by Six Sigma is a permanent one. I will briefly talk about the statistical approach. Sigma is a symbol for a statistical measure of variations in a process called standard deviation. 6 in Six Sigma means there are 6 standard deviations between the average of the process and the allowed service level limits by customer. The 5 phases of Six Sigma, or rather with the acronym called the MIC framework. These phases each contain a set of tools and techniques that guide the problem solver through the improvement process from start to finish. These phases are defined as 1. Define phase, measure phase, analyze phase, improve phase, and control phase. During these phases, there are different activities that is being done to really create an improved solution that will make up a customer satisfaction. Then, what is Lean? Lean, also referred to as Lean methods or Lean speed, is a set of tools developed to reduce the waste associated with the flow of materials and information in a process from beginning to end. The goal of Lean is to identify and eliminate non-essential and non-value-added steps in the business process in order to streamline production, improve quality, and gain customer loyalty. So how did it become Lean Six Sigma? Using more problem-solving techniques can help solve a larger number and variety of business problems. Starting in the 1980s, consultants trained in both techniques realized the synergy between Lean and Six Sigma and began to push for the combination of the different tools of Six Sigma, which is focused on improving quality, and Lean, which is focused on removing waste. Thus, Six Sigma Lean was born. A combined management approach, Lean Six Sigma, amplifies the strength and minimizes the weaknesses of both approaches when used alone. Increasingly popular, Lean Six Sigma first emphasizes the use of lean methodologies and tools to identify and remove waste and increase process velocity, then follows that with the use of Six Sigma methodology and tools to identify and reduce or remove process variation. What are belts? A belt signifies experience. Practitioners are given a belt title. It can be black belt, green belt, yellow belt that correspond to their level of experience. Black belts. Black belt has expert knowledge and skills related to the DMAIC methodology, Lean methods, and team leadership. Black belt should be able to lead any team across the organization in executing Lean Six Sigma projects. Black belt may also conduct Lean Six Sigma training and act as coaches and mentors to other belts in training. Green belt. A green belt has strong knowledge and skills relating to the DMAIC methodology and Lean methods, but typically does not have experience with advanced statistical tools such as design of experience. Green belt may lead simple projects under the guidance of a black belt or may work as a team member on a larger project team. Yellow belt. A yellow belt is trained in the general Lean Six Sigma concept and basic tools. A company deploying Lean Six Sigma may choose to designate project team member as yellow belt after completing the required training course, or may use the designation of employee responsible for data collection to a green belt or green belt project. There is also an hierarchy called the champion. A project champion is a high-ranking manager who will work with a black belt to ensure that the barriers to project successes are removed and the project team has the organizational support it needs to be effective. There is also white belt. A white belt has received a small amount, it could be several hours of awareness training, enough to be dangerous though. I will briefly talk about DFSS, which means Design for Six Sigma. A variant of Six Sigma, defined for Six Sigma, is a methodology used to design from scratch or redesign a product or process to one that meets customer requirements and has an expected quality level of Six Sigma. I will quickly emphasize here that Lean Six Sigma is basically used to correct processes that are not working well, while DFSS is used from scratch to finish to create new processes. DFSS is about getting it right the first time instead of improving later. The focus of the DMAIC Six Sigma, that is the point where the cost of change is lowest and the ease of implementation is the highest. There is also design for Lean Six Sigma, which is DFLSS. That is where Lean is added to the mix. So it is all the tools and techniques put together. A growing number of deployments are describing their efforts as DFLSS. Thank you very much. This was it for Lean Six Sigma, created by Peter O. Ayorobo.